Preorder Now is perfect for our business, of course, because we have this made-to-order model, but we also have stock. But without a doubt, yes, I would recommend this to any business. My name is Anne, and I'm the founder and CEO of Anne Cate. Anne Cate is a Cleveland-based accessories brand and manufacturing firm specializing in skyline silhouette purses and other custom and versatile accessories. The customer service is great, the price is affordable, and to have a platform where we can build it out ourselves in the app is super valuable too. After, like I said, spending probably over $1,000 trying to code and recode, in my early years of running my business, having Preorder Now where I can have access and customize is super valuable. So yes, I would absolutely recommend Preorder Now. Because of Preorder Now, we are able to keep our inventory costs low and be fully transparent to customers, which is the best feeling. It's valuable, it's easy, and it has really been an asset to our business to have this made-to-order model where we can offer all of our SKUs online. We may not stock them all, and just having the ability to notify the customers of the items that are in stock and will ship within a day, and the items that are not in stock but will ship within 7 to 10 days is very valuable to us.